Hey guys, we received this eye massager with heat and music for test and try. This is an eye massager for your care, like the eye care or any other purpose that you want to use for, and they are really nice and things. So let's see like how this feel on your personal use. So comes in a nice protective box. This is foldable, so easy to carry and portable as well. So very nice smooth surface and very nice cushion inside as well. So charging cable. So this also goes up to the height of 38 to 42 degrees Celsius so that it will give a warm cloth feeling. And then you can charge and use while at the thing. So there I'm just charging. So you see like the indicator that is start charging. And you can also have this strap adjusted. And these are elastic fabric strap. So it's not hurting or problem with your head. So this also have this music and you can of course attach your phone with your desired music, or you can also close the music by the double click of the button. So this is how it feels when you wear it. So let's have all this temporal and all the eye and temples massaging. And the music is also good, but if you are annoyed with it, you can of course double click on the button, it will stop, or you can play on your own choice. With this eyes or the temples or eyes and temples, they are different mode. With the press of the button, you can choose, and then also you can put it like anywhere. See on the head, there is no pressure but it is coming as a pressure and pop, coming as a pressure and pop. So this is really nice, giving a little bit pressure, not much. So there are comfort mode, sleep pattern, eye protection mode, validity model, automatic mode. So there are like different modes that you can use, and the feel is really good. From the side also, no pinching on the side with the elastic bands, and also feels nice and comfortable and soothing. So overall experience is good and very comfortable eye massager.